Welcome to our guide on the best impact drivers. Essential tools designed to deliver maximum torque and performance for driving screws, lag bolts, and fasteners into tough materials with ease. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or someone upgrading your home toolkit, picking the right impact driver can save you time, reduce fatigue, and expand the range of projects you can tackle. In this video, we'll walk through 5 of the best cordless impact drivers available, highlighting their power output, battery platforms, motor technology, handling, and overall value, so you can choose the one that suits your needs. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Starting off strong, the Avid Power 250N AM 20V brushless impact driver delivers a powerful combination of torque and efficiency thanks to its brushless motor design. Brushless motors are inherently more efficient than traditional brushed counterparts, meaning you get more power out of the same battery capacity, longer runtime, and greater motor lifespan with less heat buildup. With a rated torque of 250 Nm, this impact driver is capable of handling demanding fastening tasks. From driving long screws into dense lumber to quickly securing structural connectors during framing work. Users frequently highlight its smooth power delivery and responsive trigger, which make it easy to control even during high-torque operations. The ergonomic grip and balanced body help reduce fatigue during extended use, and the compact form factor allows access in tight spaces where larger tools struggle. Whether you're framing a deck or assembling heavy cabinetry, the Avid Power Impact Driver is a solid all-around performer that brings professional-level torque to your fingertips. Next on the list, the Robustru 21V 1/4-inch hex cordless impact driver steps up with a slightly higher voltage platform, providing a robust power reserve for tougher jobs. Running on a 21-volt battery, this impact driver generates strong torque and maintains steady performance as the battery drains. The 1/4 hex chuck makes bit changes quick and secure, enabling you to swap between driver bits with minimal effort, a valuable convenience when moving between tasks. Its design focuses on blending power with user comfort. The grip feels natural in hand, the trigger is smooth and responsive, and the overall balance helps reduce wrist strain over longer jobs. Users often comment on how this impact driver handles heavy fastening without stalling, even when working with hardwoods or large fasteners. With its higher voltage platform and intuitive design, the Robustru 21V impact driver is a reliable choice for anyone who wants strong performance and durability in one package. For those who appreciate a versatile tool that bridges impact driving with traditional drilling, the Rida 180 Nm 20V cordless impact drill driver brings multi-purpose capability to your workshop. While it may be categorized as an impact drill driver, it delivers impressive torque, rated at 180 Nm, that supports both driving fasteners and drilling into tough materials. This makes it particularly useful for users who want one tool that can handle a wider range of tasks without switching back and forth between tools. Its 20-volt battery platform ensures consistent power delivery for a variety of jobs, and the design typically emphasizes a comfortable handle and intuitive controls, which help keep you productive even during prolonged use. Because it blends impact driving and drilling functions, the Rida model stands out for users who value flexibility and want a single tool that can cover both everyday fastening and drilling needs with reliable results. If you want a dependable tool for everyday tasks without a high price tag, the CZI 16.8V cordless impact driver delivers good performance in a compact and affordable package. While its voltage is slightly lower compared to some heavier-duty drivers, this impact driver still produces enough torque for most household fastening tasks, furniture assembly, light framing, and maintenance work. Its lightweight design and easy-to-use interface make it ideal for hobbyists, beginners, or anyone who needs a reliable impact driver without investing in pro-level models. Users often mention how comfortable it feels during extended use and how it handles routine fastening work with ease. For casual DIYers or weekend projects, the CZI model offers excellent value and dependable performance. Finally, the CyberTools 21V brushless cordless driver rounds out our list with a focus on strong torque output and reliable performance for demanding applications. Running on a 21-volt platform and equipped with a brushless motor, this impact driver delivers efficient power and runtime while keeping heat and wear to a minimum. The advanced brushless design often results in smoother power delivery and faster bit rotation, which helps when fastening long screws or bolts through dense materials like hardwoods or metal brackets. Users often highlight how this model feels sturdy and balanced in hand, with a responsive trigger and practical LED lighting that helps illuminate work surfaces in low-light conditions. Whether you're assembling outdoor builds, framing walls, or tackling automotive repairs, the CyberTools Impact Driver offers the torque and control needed for demanding fastening tasks. With its combination of voltage, brushless technology, and ergonomic design, it's a robust choice for serious DIYers and professionals alike. When choosing the right impact driver for your needs, consider how you'll use it most often. Higher torque ratings and brushless motors, like those found in the Avid Power 250NM20V, Robustru 21V, and CyberTools 21V, provide strong power for frequent or demanding jobs. Tools that blend impact driving with drilling capability, such as the Rida 180 Nm 20V cordless impact drill driver, give you multi-purpose flexibility for varied tasks. And if you want a trusted brand with professional-grade performance and ecosystem compatibility, the Craftsman V20 cordless brushless impact driver delivers a reliable and well-supported option. And that wraps up our review of the best impact drivers on the market today. Whether you're framing, fastening big projects, or working on fine carpentry, there's an impact driver here that can elevate your power tool setup and make your work faster and easier. Which one will you pick for your toolbox? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tool reviews. Check the description for current deals so you can grab the perfect impact driver for your next project today. Thanks for watching.